Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to just simply open up CapCut application and open up the video in which you want to add blur. So you guys have to just simply open up the project, and in the project section you guys have to just simply go to the effects section and click on the video effects, and you guys have to simply search for blur. So after searching for blur, there are lots of options. You guys have to just simply select the blur which you want to add in your video. So after adding the blur option, and now you guys have to simply adjust the blur effect on that section in which you want to add blur. So I am applying on whole video because I want to blur the face of the video. So after adjusting the blur effect, now you guys have to just simply go to the original clip, and you guys have to just simply swipe right the down section and click on the copies option or duplicate option. So after clicking on duplicate option, now you guys have to simply go back to again the first clip, and you guys have to simply select the overlay option. So after selecting the overlay button, now you guys will be able to see there are two clips, the upper one and lower one. So you guys have to simply select the upper one, and here you guys have to just simply go to the mask section by swipe right below. So here you guys can be able to see the mask. You guys have to simply click on it, and here you guys have to simply select the shape according to your need. So assume that you want to blur a circular thing, so you guys have to just simply select the circle mask, or you guys can select the rectangle mask if you want to blur the rectangular object. So I just want to blur the face, so I'm just selecting the circle mask. So after selecting that, now you guys have to simply adjust it by length and width by the arrow icons, and I'm selecting this one and place this to the exact position where you want to make mask. So now you guys can be able to see our mask has been added. Now for every instance, you guys have to just simply click on tick and add a keyframe. So after adding the keyframe, now you guys have to simply slightly go and add a keyframe, go to mask and adjust the mask. Now you guys have to just simply click on tick and go some frame forward, and in this way you guys have to just simply adjust the mask at each frame according to your needs, and in this way you guys can blur the specific part of a video in a CapCut. Now you guys will be able to see our blur has been added to the face. This is not so much accurate because I have not made lots of keyframe. So whenever you make lots of keyframe at every instance, your video blurring accuracy will be increased. So I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.